Good afternoon, kids. Welcome back to my channel Color Book. Ready to draw something that helps us every day? Let's create a colorful alarm clock together. Draw a big size circle. Leave a little space and draw one more circle inside. Wow, our clock is already taking shape. Now draw two short straight lines on left side and two on right side. Draw a bell on top of each side. Our alarm clock is about to ring. Draw two small lines at the bottom left and at the stand. Do the same on the right side. Now our clock can stand all by itself. Next, draw handle. Look at that. It really looks like a real alarm clock now. Draw a small circle right in the middle of the clock and color it black. It's time to write the numbers. Let's draw the clock hands. Kids, did you know a clock helps us know the time? Time tells us when to wake up, go to school, play, eat, study, and sleep. Learning to read a clock is a smart and useful skill. It's time to color it. Color the outer part of the alarm clock with bright red. Color the bell with red as well. Now color the middle part of clock where the numbers are with pink. Color the clock hands green. Color the handle above the bells with orange. Finally, the clock's bottom stand with brown color. Fantastic! Our beautiful alarm clock is finished and ready to tell the time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.